Should I do a cartwheel in the bubbles? I'll do a cartwheel in the bubbles, yeah?
What's up, Vanmily? And welcome back to the channel. All right, so we're out today. My daughter got some, she loves Stitch, so she got some Stitch things for Easter, and we wanted to come out, bring her Kite. Is out.
Yes.
Her Stitch bubbles, and cook a little bit of lunch. But today we have a pretty busy day. And we'll turn y'all back on in a few.
Now I run back. 3, 2, 1.
Not enough wind for this kite.
We're trying.
And I'm tired of running around. You wanna run?
Can I run to the camera?
We'll try it.
Yeah,
I never flew a kite right before. I don't know how to do it.
yeah, get back to the line. Not enough wind. Not enough wind for this kite. Go, 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 go. You gotta go in the air. You gotta go in the air. Now let the string go.
It's going out.
You gotta let the string go.
It's coming out. It's gonna come out.
Okay, I'm done. It's not enough.
No.
I'm done. We'll try this kite on a windy day.
Yeah. It's a little wind, but not a lot.
Watch this,
Oh, I can smell the food. It's almost ready.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so as you seen, we went to Walmart and got this air fryer. It was like $27 by Mainstay, and it's been about, I can say about 20 minutes now since we put the chicken tenders in there and fries. It's on 400 degrees, so yeah. This is just something small for, we're gonna keep here in the van, which will be good because these kids like chicken tenders and fries, and this is just something we're gonna have sometimes here on the van. But I just thought we'd get this. I think it's really cute, but it's almost done, so they can eat.
All right, so we got the power station. We got the power station running the air fryer. It's gonna drop down to 118 watts, but it was pushing like 990. Pushing like 990 watts. 68% left. Like I said, the air fryer is what our kids use a lot, so we had to get some power to accommodate them as well. So EJ,
Oh, he got headphones.
headphones, let's get it. They run people off. All right, did everybody enjoy themselves?
Yes.
Yep, that was nice.
TJ, you enjoy yourself?
Yes, sir.
Guys, I know it.
Yep.
You got to see some old teachers.
Yep. All righty.
All right, Vanmily, we are so excited that you came with us today as we ran a couple errands. We cooked on our new air fryer. We was able to go to the Autism Acceptance program. EJ was so excited to see a lot of his old teachers, a lot of people that he knew since he was in like first grade. To see him now, he's 18, about to graduate in May. So that was very exciting. We also had a little treat at the end, a piece of cake and some punch. So, and he won a prize. He got him some Bluetooth headphones. So that was exciting. And but yeah, it was just an awesome day today.
It really was. To actually, because we've been gone like all day.
Yeah.
And you know, this van makes such a huge difference in like a quality of life, even if you're not at some national park. You know, this van still, you know, it creates an atmosphere or environment. It's like we have a home everywhere we go. Like, because our kids, like, they eat with the air fryer most of the time. And that's what we had to get one that didn't pull as much power. But our Vitoman power station, it'll run the air fryer with no problem.
No problem.
So, just overall, man, just we're inching, you know, day by day. Soon y'all gonna see us, you know, all out. All out traveling. Just a whole lot more. A whole lot more.
So right now, as you may see us dipping and dabbing, you know, doing day camping, or we may spend the night in it or something, but we're still getting into it, getting the feel of it. So when we decide to go a couple of days, of course, you guys coming along with us.
Yes, and even today, we've seen a lot of stuff that we need.
We had no plates.
We had no plates.
So,
I mean, that sounds simple.
Yeah.
It sounds simple. Like, you know how we had no plates.
We had no plates.
We had a cutting board.
And a skillet.
EJ ate out the skillet. Kate ate out the cutting board. But it's all good.
All good.
And then we're gonna look into bathrooms.
Yeah.
I know we made a video earlier about bathrooms, but somebody said in the comments they have a pop-out bathroom, glamping bathroom or something, but we're gonna look into all that.
And I did show you a clip of something at Walmart that's a pop-up privacy shelter tent. The tent.
Yeah.
So that's the option as well. But yeah, we're gonna need that.
Because I think the 5-gallon bucket, we don't have space for that.
Yeah.
But I seen in a video, a van lifer video, the one that close up and open back out, put the bags in it.
Yeah.
You know,
just something simple we could put away as well.
Yeah.
We don't want nothing too overcomplicated. And we can see, as being in the van, what we do, we only have a limited amount of space. So we are learning. We are learning as we go. That's why it's good to go out and do, you know, these day trips or these whatever we're doing. So we'll know whenever we go for 3, 4, 5 days, we'll have what we need.
Yes.
When we need it. So today was a great day. It was beautiful weather. It was just nice today. It was really nice.
Kids enjoyed it.
Yeah, they did. We did. But of course, we had to bring you guys along with us. Of course, our family. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting on? Subscribe to our channel. We have like so much more that we want to do. We also have more tech videos, of course, coming up from the DIYer here. There's some more things that we want to show you guys, so be sure to stay tuned for that. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you stick around for more. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.